Alright, so here comes another question. We have if x squared plus y squared is equals to 25 and 2x plus y is equals to 10, find the value of x plus y. Alright, so let's see first. X squared plus y squared means this is equation of a circle, and 2x plus y is equals to 10 means it is a line, right? So just from looking at the question, we can see that if we have an equation of a circle and a line is passing, it is a possibility that there are two answers in there. Just to think before we start. All right, so we have first one as x squared plus y squared is equals to 25, and our second equation is 2x plus y is equals to 10. Now it's easier to simplify the second equation, so what we will do is we will move that 2x to the other side, so that will become y is equals to 10 minus 2x. Alright, and now that we have got the value of y, we can substitute that y value into the first equation. Alright, so that will give us x squared plus 10 minus 2x squared is equals to 25. Alright, now let's open the square. So that is x squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 10 times 2x plus 2x whole square equals 25. So what I have done here is in this bracket I have done a minus b whole square. I've used that formula, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you don't know that formula, it is really important to just memorize that formula. Anyways, let's go back to our main question. So now we have x squared plus 100 minus 40x, because 20 times 10 is 20, times 2 is 40x, plus 4x squared is equals to 25. Let's simplify it further. X squared plus 4x squared will give us 5x squared minus 40x plus 100, and this 25, when we move it to the other side, will be minus 25 equals 0. So we have 5x squared minus 40x plus 100 minus 25 is 75 equals 0. Alright, great. So now we have got a quadratic equation, and when we see this, we can see that we can take 5 common. So let's take 5 common, so 5, and then you have x squared minus 8x, because 8 times 5 will give you 40, plus 75. So we know that we will get 15. So 15 times 5 is 75 equals 0. We can divide by 5 on both sides to simplify our equation, and now we have x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Alright, now how to solve a quadratic, I'll make another video to show exactly how to do it. If you know how to do it, that's amazing. So what we do is usually we find the factors of 15 that when added gives us minus 8. So when we think of factors of 15, 3 times 5 give us 15, and 3 plus 5 gives us 8. Right, but we need minus 8, so we can do minus 3 plus minus 5 will give us minus 8. So the two factors here are going to be minus 3 and minus 5. So it becomes x squared minus, right? So in place of minus 8, we can write minus 3x minus 5x plus 15 equals 0. And now we use the barrier form to solve it. So in the first one we get x common and we get x minus 3 left. In the next we take 5 common x minus 3 equals 0. X minus 3 and x minus 3 is common, so we can take x minus 3 common and we are left with x minus 5. So x minus 5 there equals to 0. Now any of these brackets can be 0 to make it 0. So if x minus 3 is 0, x will be equals to 3, right? And if x minus 5 is 0, x will be equals to 5. So there are two possible answers, and as discussed above, I said that it is a circle, an equation of a circle and an equation of a line, and there is a possibility of two answers, and hence we have two answers here, two values of x. Now when we have two values of x, let's go back and see the main equation. So main equation was y is equals to 10 minus 2x. So if we come back here and we say y is equals to 10 minus 2x, I'm sure I'm right there, 10 minus 2x, 10 minus 2x. So if that was the equation, we substitute. If x is equals to 3, y will be equals to 10 minus 2 times 3, which is 10 minus 6 is 4. And if x is equals to 5, then y will be equals to 10 minus 2 times 5, which is equals to 0. So 10 minus 10 is 0. All right, so first combination of x, so x and y is x is 3, y is equals to 4, and if x is equals to 5, y is equals to 0. And our main equation is find, or main question was find x plus y. So in this case, x plus y can be equals to 3 plus 4, which is 7, and it can also be equals to 5 plus 0, which is 5. So there are two possible answers, 7 and 5. All right, that was a good question. Have a good day.